Hey crypto fam, welcome back to our channel where we post crypto and other videos. Just like in today's video, it's about crypto and it's on how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance into any other platform or any other crypto exchange. Before I show you the way, I want you guys to know what Binance is. Now Binance is the world's top crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and since it's the world's top crypto exchange, a lot of people use it, and since a lot of people use it, it's pretty secure platform as well. So if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link which is in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now with that said, for all new viewers who's watching our channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can drop it down in the comment and let's jump right into the video. Now just remember that to transfer your crypto from Binance into other place, you need to get the wallet address of that place. So let's say I'm transferring my crypto from Binance to Coinbase for an example. I need to get the wallet address of the crypto which I'm transferring from Binance to Coinbase wallet address. Now every crypto's wallet address is different. For Bitcoin there's different, for Ethereum there's different. If I paste the wallet address of Ethereum when I'm transferring Bitcoin, my Bitcoin will be lost. So make sure you're copying the wallet address of the crypto which you're transferring. So in this video I will transfer Ethereum, so I need to copy the wallet address of Ethereum. And after I do that, come to Binance.com, log in into my account, go on wallet, go on overview. And after I come over here, click on where it says withdraw. Once I do that, it's going to be Bitcoin. You want to make sure you choose the coin which you're transferring. So it's Ethereum. I'm going to choose Ethereum. And as I said, paste the wallet address of Ethereum. If you paste any other wallet address, your crypto is going to get lost. And choose the network. After you do that, just enter the amount of, Ethereum or the amount of crypto you want to transfer and click on withdraw. And the crypto which you chose over here will be transferred to that wallet address. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance to any other platform. So this example was on Coinbase, but just copy the wallet address of any platform you want and the crypto will be transferred over there. So hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.